Hi friends, it's Leah from MMB Inspired Creations. My daughter found these plastic candle tapers at a thrift shop, and I've been saving these ribbon spools for a while now, so it was time to use them. And I decided to make some candle holders out of them. So I started with truffle paint on that first spool, and then with this one, I cut beads in half and glued them to the bottom of that long tube spool. And I used Umber by Deco Art, and then I applied it to the candlestick using a sponge. And for that first one, I did the crackle technique, put a coat of glue and then a coat of the sheepskin by Folk Art, dried it, and then I was just showing you how it looked. And then for this other spool, I grunged it up a little bit with glue and cinnamon. And I started by just placing the glue in strategic spots and sprinkling on the cinnamon. And then I just layered the cinnamon and the glue and just going back and forth, dried it, did it a few times. And the candlestick was a little bit more challenging because it was plastic, and it kept, the paint kept coming off and sticking to my fingers. And then I finally grabbed it from the flame end, and it made it a whole lot easier, and it turned out beautiful in the end. And that one piece just kind of reminded me of a part from my husband's car. It was all rusty. And, and then I just started embellishing the other candles. And with this one, I just went simple, a twine around the side of it and a flower and a bead. And that last one, I just did some gingham ribbon, half bow, and a wooden flower piece. There they are, all finished. I can't decide which one I like best. Which one do you like? Have you tried these? I had so much fun creating them. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button.